Hi there and welcome. I believe I am live now. My name is Madison. I'm the marketing coordinator at the Business Software Center, and I help do the Coffee Talk TBSCs. It originally was every Tuesday, but over the summer we're switching it up a bit, and it's just going to be sporadic throughout summertime due to holiday, etc. So I believe our next Coffee Talk will be on the 29th of June, so feel free to check that out. So for today's Coffee Talk, we will be talking about the importance of e-learning and remote work. And so I'll just go in and break down some key differentiators right now in the market on e-learning and how you can really boost your team communication and collaboration with Bigger Brains, our partner. So let me go ahead and get started, but please do remember our questions and answers session is open on the right-hand side of the screen, so feel free to leave me any questions or email me info@businesssoftwarecenter.com if you can't ask your questions today. So I just want to review our biggest findings that these were conducted over the pandemic, and we noticed that 89% of organizations are not fully using their Microsoft 365 applications. So like I said, this presentation is mostly going to focus on Microsoft Teams, but you can't really look at Teams without looking at the bundle that it comes in with Microsoft 365. So here you are as a business paying for all these applications in this bundle, and yet 43% of users do not use Teams. And so I'll just go into a little detail about that later on as why we think 43% are not using Teams based off of our research. But that is a really large number, and I just want to state here and now that there are a lot of benefits for using Teams, especially with remote work. This was a Forrester study conducted called the Total Economic Impact of Microsoft Teams. And so basically it helps increase employee productivity, improves collaboration across the organizations, and enables innovation. And you can see some of the findings on the right-hand side here. 4 hours of work were saved depending on information being passed on. 18% reduction in meetings each week, which is absolutely amazing because Teams really allows you to free up your time and organize your time in such a way. But it also reduces the traveling and the impact. I know some people commute maybe an hour to work back and forth, and so this really takes away a lot of the stress and strain of commuting. And then in the long run, it does help with greenhouse gas emissions because you're not using transportation as much. So, there really is a lot of benefits to using Teams. And so I'm here to tell you, if you're one of those businesses that's not fully using your Microsoft licenses, now is the time to do so, especially because you get all these perks with it. Now, why exactly are businesses not using Teams? Well, based off of our research, we believe that there is a large lack of training involved. And that also means that perhaps employees are using other services. So for example, maybe 2 years ago, Teams was a little different, and maybe people enjoyed using Zoom a bit more or Google a bit more. Teams has adapted and changed over these past 2 years, especially during the pandemic. They've listened to a lot of feedback, and there really is a lot of similarity now between Teams, Zoom, and Google. It's like Teams is trying to take the best of everything and really put it into their system to make it easy to use, understand, and become one of the dominating communication and platform tool for you. But unfortunately, some people have walls up when it comes to learning new technology, and some people, just want to stick to Skype because Skype is what they've known for, 10 years. And so there really is a lack of training involved, whether that's training provided by the business or just having the self-motivation. We really come to find that training is a really big issue when it comes to not using Teams. And so I just want to have a question here. Where do you stand? Where does your business stand? And based off of our research, we have conducted a lot of our Smarter SaaS efficiency health checks specifically for Microsoft 365, and we found many of our customers are completely inefficient. They're less than 50% capacity using their licenses, unfortunately. So that means that they're in this red area. And our goal at the Business Software Center is to bring everyone to green and be at least 95% efficient, which is exactly where Microsoft wants you to be. From an outsider's perspective looking in, I also ask the question, why would you pay for something but not use it? In this case, it's no different. for a business, you should really pay for what you use. And by training your employees, it also boosts your return on investment. So I think that's something that's really worthwhile to look at. And of course, with our Smarter SaaS for Microsoft 365 tool, we do break down a lot of different apps with Microsoft, but because we're focusing on Teams, that's what I'm going to talk about. And so you can see that this graphic on the right-hand side shows different colors. And so we can break down users and show you exactly who's using what and where. And so anybody in the green means they're perfectly using it, they're doing fine. Anybody in red means zero usage. And so you have to ask yourself the questions, okay, well, are they using something else? Are they completely untrained? What's going on? And so with this information that we give you, we can also then help you target those employees that need a little extra encouragement with using Teams. And that's where Bigger Brains comes in. So Bigger Brains is our e-learning platform, and it can be accessed through our Smarter SaaS technology. And so with Bigger Brains, they do have a Mastering Microsoft Teams course. And now this course has up-to-date lessons, so you don't have to worry about any of the Microsoft updates that happened in the past. It's all going to be updated for you in these Teams lessons from Bigger Brains. And so of course it's going to do like the bare basics for you, like sharing or video calls, etc. But then it will go into in-depth information that you might not be familiar with, like adding external users or third-party connectors, shifts, whiteboard, or praise, etc. So there really is a lot to Teams that sometimes when you're learning on your own, you just scratch the surface of, but luckily with Bigger Brains e-learning, they really give an intense, in-depth look, and it's all really quick too. All the videos are really easy to follow, really quick to pick up and understand. And what's really nice is you can access it as you go. So say, for instance, you forget how to do something after learning, you can go back and access your Microsoft Mastering Teams course just for review. And so I just want to talk a little bit more about Bigger Brains. So with Bigger Brains, they can increase productivity by training your workers to the fullest. And like I said earlier, by training your employees, it boosts your return on investment and you are using what you're paying for. Now with Bigger Brains, they do offer mobile-friendly online learning platforms, which is really good. It is available with Microsoft Teams, and I can show you in just a minute how you access it through Teams. And their team is very professional, full of educators, trainers, storytellers, comedians, and more. So you're definitely going to be entertained during the process of learning. And so I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is to set up on your Teams. So pretend this is your Teams dashboard here. All you're going to do is select apps, which is in the bottom left corner, and then type in Bigger Brains, and you'll see Bigger Brains pop up. And so what you're going to do is then add it to one of your channels, and then you're able to access Bigger Brains just directly through Microsoft Teams. I mean, it really can't get any easier than that. So at this time, I'm just going to see if we have any questions coming in. Let me see here. Yes, I do. One question is it just Teams or is there other education with e-learning? Yes, there is more. You know, I was just focusing on the Microsoft Teams just because it really is a valuable tool for communication and collaboration, but there is more that Bigger Brains offers. I actually have a slide here at the end. You can see under the section where it says Learn Microsoft Office 365, you can see the whole list of courses that you can access through Microsoft Teams with Bigger Brains technology. And, you know, mastering Microsoft Teams is only one of the many that you see there. And with our Smarter SaaS tool, of course, we can help see where usage is, where not usage is beyond Teams. So we can really help you establish who needs education and where. So let me go ahead and see if we have any other questions coming in. Okay, so this question is, how did you find the 43% number? So I believe that's referring to the research we did. So during the pandemic, we actually launched our Smarter SaaS, and we conducted research with many different organizations with about 10,000 different users. And so based off of our findings with over 10,000 users in various organizations, we came to find that 43% of remote workers just weren't using their Teams. And so we went to those businesses and we kind of tried to figure out why exactly aren't you using what you're paying for. And it was ultimately reduced down to the point of we need more training, we need to understand it more. You know, some people don't even realize that they have Teams in their Microsoft licensing agreement. And so even just letting them know that that's an option and they don't have to keep using like a free trial of Zoom or something can be really beneficial. I do have another question. It says, is the learning a self-learning? Well, I would say that the learning is kind of self-learning. You have to, you know, put time aside and go in and access the videos on your own. But of course, there's going to be little quizzes and stuff like that that you can do, and videos that you can watch and references that you have. So, you know, in a way, it's kind of like a hybrid. You do have an instructor, but it's kind of like an instructor on your own time and your own terms. So I would say that's how the e-learning is set up. So I would say if you're interested in trying our Smarter SAS tool, I've talked about it a lot before, so you're welcome to check our YouTube channel out just to find out more about what Smarter SAS does for Microsoft 365. But we do offer a free trial for that. So if you really want to benchmark and see where your business is at exactly with Teams usage, we can do it for you for free, and it takes about 10 minutes to set up. So I really advise getting in contact with us just to learn a little bit more and try that free trial out. So you can check out our website to do the free trial, or you can find us on Microsoft App Source or Marketplace, or you can email me info@businesssoftwarecenter.com and I can get you set up. So yeah, lots of different ways you can access it. I believe that's it for today. Let me just double check and make sure I don't have any more questions coming in. Now at this time, I don't have any more questions, so I do thank you, and please join me on June 29th for my next coffee talk. Alrighty, thank you so much. Bye-bye.